Okay friends, now we will know about force. Number one is contract force and number two is force at distance. First we will know about contract force. First we will know about force. A push or pull on an object is called force. And second one we will know about contract force. A force extracted between two internal objects is called contract force. Now we will know about force at a distance. A force which acts between two bodies or not directly towards each other is called force at distance. Contract force divided into four parts. And first part is muscular force. After we will discuss about definitions. First we will know how many parts. First one is muscular force and second one is frictional force. A force which we extracted by using our body muscles is known as muscular force. Second one is frictional force, a force that opposite relative motions of surface in contact. Third one is normal force, the force that a solid surface extracts on an object in the normal direction is called normal force. And fourth one is tension force, when the tightness of a rope or string when it is struggled. Force at distance also divided into three parts, friends. And first part is magnetic force and second one is electrical force. Third one is gravitational force. Now we will know about that definitions. First one is magnetic force, the force extracted by a magnet to pull or push a metallic object like iron is called magnetic force. And second one is magnetic force, electrical force, the force extracted by charged body on other charged body or uncharged body is known as electrical force. And third one is gravitational force, and we will know about this definition. Attractive force between two objects is called gravity. This video, please share, subscribe for more updates.